chosen one. Now something is going to happen in the universe, knowing about which the astrologers are completely stunned. Chosen people are going to witness this powerful energy shift of the universe. Now, you are going to experience the most explosive awakening of the sun. And this event is going to happen after hundreds of years, which will shake the living beings on the entire planet. The universe is now gradually being surrounded by the powerful spiritual energy of the sun, and the chosen people are standing on the verge of something extraordinary. According to astrologers, the sun has been creating powerful energy for the last 300 years, which has now reached the energy peak of the solar flare. And due to this, a huge cosmic energy change is happening right now. The next 24 hours are most important for the chosen people. This is not just another scientific event. It is a sign that now the fog of hundreds of years is going to clear from the lives of the chosen people. The energy of the sun, which has been lying dormant for centuries, is now eager to come out completely. The signs of which have started coming to you too, in which a rapid flow of energy, deep fluctuations in your emotions, many kinds of strange events. All this is its beginning. The sun was sleeping for 300 years, whose energy was stable, due to which your consciousness was also calm. If now your consciousness is going to face the energy explosion, which the sun had suppressed since the past ages. After a long darkness, the sun is now waking up, the brightness is increasing, and the energy is increasing rapidly, and its energy has taken the form of an awakening which will completely change everything in the coming days. It may be difficult for the chosen people to ignore this, and for the first time after 300 years, the chosen people are facing this change. And the signs of this energy change started coming from the beginning of this year. And this energy change of the sun is a deep invitation for everything that is coming to you. So are you ready for it? Before the universe immerses you into this deep transformation, you can give your feedback to the universe by commenting 999. And if you are not connected to the energy of this channel, you can join by subscribing to the channel. Cosmic event after centuries. The universe is on the verge of something truly extraordinary, something that has not happened in hundreds of years, a powerful awakening of the sun. Astrologers and spiritual thinkers have been waiting for this moment for a long time, and now it has finally arrived. But this is no ordinary solar event, like a normal flare or storm. This awakening is beyond science. It is a profound spiritual shift that will affect not only the planet, but also the consciousness of those who are open to it. For the past 300 years, the sun has been building up energy, lying dormant in a kind of cosmic sleep. But now, that energy has peaked, and it is about to be released as a giant wave that will spread throughout the universe. Imagine that the sun, which has been quietly gaining strength for centuries, has now suddenly erupted with a blast of energy. This energy is not just physical, it has a deep spiritual charge that is ready to connect with those who are sensitive to it. Who are these chosen ones? They are people who are especially in tune with the universe, who have a heightened sense of intuition and a strong spiritual awareness. If you are someone who feels deeply connected to nature, the stars, or the great mysteries of life, you may be one of them. And right now, you're standing on the edge of something that will be truly life-changing. The awakening of the sun signals a major shift, not only in the universe but also in your personal consciousness. This surge of energy will clear away old patterns, beliefs, and blockages that may have been holding you back. It is as if the universe is giving you a chance to start anew, to step into a new phase of growth, clarity, and wisdom. The fog that has been blurring your vision and dimming your inner light is lifting. In its place comes a bright, powerful energy, urging you to embrace your true potential. This is not just a metaphorical transformation. you may already be feeling its effects in your daily life, perhaps in the form of vivid dreams, intense emotions, or even a sense that something big is about to happen. These are signs of the sun's energy calling you, inviting you to step into this transformation. The next 24 hours are especially important. The energy is building and the universe is asking you, are you ready for this change? Will you allow this powerful solar awakening to ignite the next step in your spiritual journey? Embrace it and let the universe guide you through this once-in-a-lifetime transformation. Solar energy. Peak. For the past 3 centuries, the sun has been gathering and building up immense energy, and now that energy has reached a critical point. Astrologers and spiritual thinkers have been watching this build-up, knowing that it will eventually lead to something big. The moment has arrived. The sun is about to release a surge of energy so powerful that it will not only affect our physical world, but also bring about a profound spiritual shift. According to many spiritual teachings, the sun's energy is also connected to the energy of the universe and all living beings. It's like the sun is a bridge between the physical and spiritual realms. So when it reaches a peak of energy, it doesn't just change the atmosphere or technology, it can actually affect our consciousness and spiritual awareness. For centuries, the sun's energy has been stable, allowing life on Earth to grow and evolve in relatively calm conditions. But now, after building up power for 300 years, the sun is ready to release this flood of stored energy. These solar flares we are seeing are outward signs of this release, but its effects are far more profound. This energy is now spreading out into the universe, affecting the very fabric of existence. It is as if a wave of pure cosmic energy is flowing out into space, and if you are open to it, you can feel it within you. The key here is alignment. Not everyone will experience this energy shift in the same way. Just as a radio must be tuned to the right frequency to receive a signal, people who are spiritually sensitive or attuned to the higher energies of the universe are more likely to feel the effects of this solar awakening. If you are practicing mindfulness, meditation, or other spiritual practices, you may already be noticing subtle changes. Perhaps you have increased clarity, intense emotions, or even vivid dreams that hold deep meaning. These are signs that you are in sync with the frequency of the sun's energy. This energy shift is like a cosmic awakening. This is a call from the universe to open up, evolve, and embrace a higher level of consciousness. The sun, which has been the source of life and light for millennia, is now offering something else as well: the opportunity for spiritual transformation. It's as if the universe is using the sun as a messenger, sending waves of energy that are meant to wake us up from the routine patterns of everyday life and connect us to something bigger. If you're feeling a sense of anticipation or shift in the air, it's no coincidence. It's the energy of the sun working its way into your consciousness, and this isn't just a fleeting moment, it's the beginning of a new phase. As this solar energy fills our world, it will push us toward personal and collective growth. Old ways of thinking or being that no longer serve us will begin to fall away, making room for a more enlightened, aware, and connected way of living. This solar energy peak is a rare and powerful event, and it's happening right now. The universe is offering a unique opportunity for change, and it's up to us to be open to it. If we can align ourselves with this energy, we'll find ourselves moving toward a brighter, more spiritually awakened future. The sun's energy is not only lighting up the sky, it's illuminating our souls, encouraging us to rise to a new level of awareness and understanding. The awakening of the chosen ones. If you've been feeling strange shifts in your emotions, having vivid dreams, or noticing unusual events in your life, you may be part of a group known as the chosen ones. These individuals are uniquely connected to the higher vibrations of the universe, and this cosmic awakening is calling them to step into their true potential. But what does it mean to be a chosen one? It's not about being superior or special in an ego-driven way. Rather, it's about being sensitive to the invisible energies that shape our world. For centuries, the universe has been quietly preparing for this moment, and now the energy of the sun is acting as a catalyst for a deep awakening. If you're part of this group, you've probably felt a sense that something big is happening, even if you haven't been able to pinpoint what it is. The signs are everywhere. You may have experienced sudden waves of emotions that seem to come out of nowhere. One moment you are feeling calm and centered, and the next you are overwhelmed with a strong emotional reaction. This is not random. These emotional fluctuations are part of the energetic changes happening all around you. The universe is clearing out old emotional patterns, making room for new growth. It is almost like a spiritual detox. Old fears, doubts, and limitations are being brought to the surface so they can be released, allowing you to step into a higher state of awareness. Another main sign of this awakening is vivid, almost surreal dreams. These dreams can be more intense than usual, filled with symbolism or even emotions that stay with you long after you wake up. This is because your subconscious mind is processing the energy changes that are taking place. Dreams are often the mind's way of working through changes that are too complex to fully understand on a conscious level. Pay attention to these dreams. They may contain important messages or insights about your path ahead. You may also notice strange or unexplainable events in your life. Maybe you've experienced coincidences that seem too meaningful to be random, or perhaps things that once seemed impossible are suddenly happening with ease. These are signs that the universe is connecting you with your true purpose. The veil between the physical world and the spiritual realm is thin during this time, making synchronicities and spiritual guidance more apparent in your daily life. This awakening is not just about noticing external changes, it's also about realizing that you are an important part of this grand cosmic shift. The universe is calling you to step into your true potential, to recognize that you have a role to play in this transformation. Whether it's through your thoughts, actions, or energy, you are contributing to humanity's collective awakening. It's as if the universe was waiting for this exact moment to activate the gifts and abilities lying dormant within you. This cosmic event is a reminder that we are all connected to something far greater than ourselves. As a chosen one, you are being asked to fully embrace this connection. It is time to let go of fear and doubt and step into your power. The universe is guiding you toward a deeper understanding of your purpose and your impact on the world. This is a powerful and exciting time, but it can also feel overwhelming. Know that you are not alone. There are many others who are also awakening to this energy. This change is about awakening to your higher self. It is about realizing that you are not just a small, isolated being in the vast universe. You are an integral part of the cosmic whole. The energy flowing through the universe right now is inviting you to awaken to your true potential and embrace your role in great spiritual evolution. Effects on consciousness. For centuries, the sun's energy has been stable, creating a sense of balance and stability in the world. However, this stability has also acted like a kind of veil, hiding the deeper layers of human consciousness. While this energy provided the basis for life and evolution on Earth, it also limited our ability to fully understand the deeper spiritual truths of the universe. Now, with the current cosmic shift, everything is about to change. The sun is releasing a powerful surge of energy, and with it, the veil obscuring our higher consciousness is being lifted. This energy blast from the sun is not just a physical event, it is a spiritual event. As the sun awakens, it triggers awakening within us as well. For those who are spiritually sensitive or attuned to higher vibrations, this moment represents a significant uplift in consciousness. The sun's energy is like a key unlocking parts of our awareness that had been dormant or hidden for generations. The most profound effect of this energy shift is a new spiritual clarity. If you've been feeling confused, lost, or unsure about your path in life, this awakening will begin to clear those clouds of doubt. It's as if the universe is turning on a light, allowing you to see things more clearly than ever before. Questions you've struggled with for years may suddenly begin to have clear answers, and decisions that once felt overwhelming will now be made with confidence. This clarity isn't just about mental understanding, it's about seeing the world through a more intuitive, spiritual lens. With this clarity also comes a heightened sense of intuition. You may find that you're more in tune with your inner guidance, sensing things before they happen, or feeling deeply connected to the environment around you. This heightened intuition is a direct result of the sun's energy lifting the veil over your consciousness. It's like tuning into a frequency that was always there, but which you hadn't been able to fully access until now. Your instincts, your inner feelings will intensify, guiding you in ways that feel natural and deeply connected to your soul's purpose. This awakening also brings a deeper awareness of the interconnectedness of all things. The energy of the sun doesn't just affect individuals, it affects the entire universe, reminding us that we are all part of a larger cosmic web. As this energy fills your consciousness, you will begin to feel more connected to the people, animals, and nature around you. You may experience a sense of unity with the world, recognizing that your actions and thoughts collectively affect the whole. This increased awareness can lead to greater compassion, empathy, and understanding as you begin to see yourself as part of a much bigger story. This lifting of the veil is like the lifting of a mist that has been clouding your vision for generations. Suddenly, the world around you appears more vibrant, more alive, and more meaningful. You will begin to see patterns and connections in everyday life that you may not have noticed before. This awakening is not just about spiritual insight. It is about seeing the physical world in a new light, recognizing that everything is filled with energy and meaning. In this elevated state of consciousness, life takes on a new depth. Small moments become full of significance, and challenges that once seemed impossible now present themselves as opportunities for growth and transformation. This is the gift of the sun's awakening, a chance to experience life with greater awareness, clarity, and purpose. As this change unfolds, it is important to fully embrace it. Allow yourself to be open to the new levels of consciousness that are emerging. Trust that this energy shift is leading you to your higher self and your true path. The sun's energy is not only warming the earth, it is awakening the deepest parts of your being, inviting you to step into a more enlightened and connected existence. Signs of the solar shift. Since the start of the year, subtle but significant changes have been happening all around you and perhaps within you as well. You may have noticed shifts in your physical energy, feeling more energized on some days and strangely drained on others. Maybe your emotions have been fluctuating more than usual, swinging from joy to sadness, or even from peace to anxiety without any clear reason. There might also be a deep, almost magnetic pull towards meditation, nature, or other spiritual practices. These experiences are not random or coincidental. They are signs of a much larger event taking place, the solar shift. The universe communicates in whispers before it speaks loudly, and these signs are part of that whisper. They are gentle nudges from the cosmos, guiding you towards a significant transformation. This solar shift is not just about changes in the sun's physical activity, like solar flares or energy bursts. It's about a powerful spiritual awakening, and those who are open to it, like you, are being called to prepare for what's coming next. One of the clearest signs of this shift is in your physical energy. You may have found yourself feeling unusually tired, as if your body is adjusting to something it can't yet fully understand. Or, on the other hand, you might have experienced moments of sudden, almost overwhelming vitality where you feel more alive and awake than ever before. These fluctuations are your body's way of responding to the energetic changes happening around you. The sun's energy is intensifying, and just as the Earth responds to solar flares, your own energy is being influenced by these cosmic waves. Emotionally, you may have felt like you're on a roller coaster. This is a common experience during times of energetic shifts. Old emotions that you thought were long buried might be resurfacing, or you may find yourself reacting more intensely to situations than you usually would. This isn't just emotional turmoil for the sake of it. It's part of the clearing process. The universe is helping you to release old emotional patterns that no longer serve you, making space for new growth and a higher level of emotional clarity. If you've felt particularly sensitive lately, it's because you're picking up on the subtle changes in the universal energy field. Another key sign of the solar shift is a strong, sometimes unexplainable pull towards spiritual practices. Perhaps you've suddenly felt a desire to meditate more, spend time in nature, or explore mindfulness techniques. You might be reading books on spirituality or listening to podcasts that speak to your soul in ways that resonate deeply. These urges are not just random interests. They are part of the preparation. The universe is guiding you towards practices that will help you align with the new energy that's coming. Your soul knows that in order to fully embrace this shift, you need to be mentally, emotionally, and spiritually ready. The next 24 hours are especially important in this process. As the sun's energy continues to peak, the cosmic power will be at its most intense. This is a critical time for you to prepare yourself. Mentally, this means quieting your mind and becoming more aware of your thoughts. Try to focus on positive, empowering ideas, as your mental energy will be particularly sensitive to the surrounding vibrations. Emotionally, this is a time to let go of any lingering fears or doubts. Trust that the universe is guiding you in the right direction, even if the path ahead isn't entirely clear yet. Spiritually, it's important to ground yourself in practices that help you stay connected to your inner self and the universe. Whether it's meditation, prayer, journaling, or simply sitting quietly in nature, take time to center yourself. These practices will help you absorb the incoming solar energy in a way that elevates your consciousness rather than overwhelming you. As this solar energy intensifies, remember that these signs are a call from the universe. You are being guided towards a powerful transformation, one that will open your awareness, heighten your intuition, and connect you more deeply to the cosmic flow of energy. Embrace these signs with gratitude and know that the universe is preparing you for something extraordinary. The shift is happening, and you are ready to step into this new phase of your spiritual journey. The deep invitation of the universe. The sun's energy explosion is more than just a powerful celestial event. It is a profound invitation from the universe, especially directed toward those who are spiritually attuned, often called the chosen. This event, a rare moment in cosmic history, signifies the end of an era of spiritual dormancy and the beginning of an awakening that holds the potential for enlightenment. The universe is reaching out to you with this invitation, asking you to step into your higher self and align with the greater flow of energy that is now flooding through the cosmos. For centuries, humanity has lived under a veil of spiritual sleep, moving through life in a state of relative unconsciousness. Though many people have had glimpses of deeper truths, for the most part, the connection between our everyday reality and the vast spiritual universe has been muted. This dormancy was not accidental. It was a necessary phase of development. But now, the time has come for the veil to lift, and for the chosen ones, those who are sensitive to the higher vibrations of the universe, to step into a new era of consciousness. This explosion of energy from the sun is the universe's way of signaling that this transformation is not only possible, but also urgently needed. The sun, long a symbol of life, warmth, and clarity, is now acting as a conduit for a much larger shift. The energy it is releasing is awakening deep spiritual truths within those who are ready to receive them. It's like a cosmic alarm clock, ringing through the universe and calling those who are listening to rise from their slumber and embrace their true selves. This is not just a passive awakening, it is an invitation to actively participate in the grand transformation that is unfolding. The universe is inviting you to step into your higher self, that part of you that is connected to the greater whole, the part that understands its place in the vast web of existence. This is a call to embrace your cosmic purpose, the reason you are here at this moment in time. Each of us has a role to play in this awakening, whether that is through spreading light and positivity, healing old wounds, or helping others navigate their own spiritual journeys. In this moment, the universe is urging you to align with the greater flow of energy. You might feel an inner nudge, a sense that you are being guided towards something more meaningful and profound than what you've experienced before. This is the deep invitation of the universe, asking you to surrender to the flow of this powerful energy and let it transform you. Resistance will only lead to struggle, but embracing this shift with an open heart will allow you to evolve into a more enlightened and connected version of yourself. This cosmic invitation also brings with it an incredible sense of responsibility. As one of the chosen, you are not only awakening for your own sake, but also for the sake of the collective. The energy shift is not happening in isolation. It is affecting the entire planet and all its inhabitants. By stepping into your higher self, you are contributing to the elevation of consciousness on a global scale. The choices you make, the energy you bring into the world, and the way you interact with others all ripple out into the universe, creating a wave of transformation that can uplift others. It's important to recognize the rarity of this moment. The universe does not extend such an invitation often. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to witness and participate in a grand cosmic shift, one that will alter the course of spiritual evolution for generations to come. The sun's energy explosion is not just a fleeting event. It is the beginning of a new chapter in the story of existence, one where spiritual enlightenment and awareness are no longer the privilege of a few, but the birthright of all who are ready to receive it. The universe is calling you to be part of this great awakening, to step into the light and embrace your true purpose. The invitation is clear. This is your moment to shine, to align with the energy of the cosmos, and to contribute to the creation of a brighter, more conscious world. This is a journey of transformation, one that will lead you to a deeper understanding of yourself, your place in the universe, and the profound interconnectedness of all things. The time is now, and the universe is waiting for you to answer its call. Embracing the awakening. In this moment of profound cosmic significance, you are being called to embrace the solar awakening that is already unfolding around you. The energy of the universe is not just on its way, it is here, building and intensifying with every passing hour. As one of the chosen ones, this is your opportunity to recognize this shift and respond to the call of the universe. This is not just a spiritual suggestion. It is a powerful invitation to step into the next phase of your journey, to align with the transformative energy that the sun is now radiating. The universe has been subtly guiding you toward this moment for some time. The signs have been present. Changes in your energy, fluctuations in your emotions, and an inner pull toward deeper spiritual practices. These are all signals that the solar awakening is not just happening outside of you, but within you. The universe is asking you to acknowledge these signs and prepare yourself mentally, emotionally, and spiritually for the shift that is already underway. This is your time to affirm your readiness for transformation. By consciously accepting this shift, you align yourself with the flow of cosmic energy that is moving through the universe. Commenting 999 is more than just a symbolic act. It's a way of telling the universe that you are ready, that you recognize this moment, and that you are open to receiving the enlightenment and awakening that is being offered. It is a simple but powerful affirmation that you are prepared to step into your highest self. If you haven't yet fully connected to this energy, now is the time to do so. There is no better moment than now to open yourself up to the guidance of the universe and subscribe to the flow of this awakening. The universe is always guiding you, whether through subtle signs or profound cosmic events like this solar shift. It's asking you to trust in the process, to let go of doubt and hesitation, and to embrace the transformation that is unfolding. Let the energy of the awakened sun illuminate your path. This is a time of growth, clarity, and alignment with your true purpose. Embrace the shift and allow the light of the universe to guide you toward your highest potential. The journey is just beginning, and you are exactly where you need to be. Conclusion. This cosmic awakening of the sun is a once-in-a-lifetime event, a spiritual phenomenon that will reshape the consciousness of the chosen people. The next 24 hours hold immense significance as the universe invites you to witness and embrace this extraordinary energy shift. The sun's dormant power is now erupting, ready to transform everything in its path, including your inner world. Prepare yourself for this spiritual awakening and align with the universe's powerful energy. Your journey to enlightenment begins now.